Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a website on Cloudflare for free. So first of all, you need to come here on cloudflare.com. Afterwards, you need to either create your account if you don't have one, or if you already have an account, you need to sign in into it. Now on the dashboard, simply click on the option of compute here in the left hand side, then click on the option of workers and pages. Now inside the workers and pages, you will find the option that says create application. So over here, simply click on the option of create application. Then you just have to basically, if you already have a website that is basically built, you just have to simply click on the option of upload your static file, or if it is basically uploaded on the GitHub, then you need to connect your GitHub account and it will automatically just use that particular file. Now Cloudflare supports the static HTML websites and other pre-built assets through the direct upload. So make sure that your website file usually have the index.html, which should be included in the uploaded files. Now when you have successfully uploaded your file, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click on the option of deploy site, and the Cloudflare is going to publish your website to a free page.deb address, such as the name of your project, then pages.deb, the URL of which is going to show here in the URL section. So once the deployment finishes, you can open the generated URL in order to verify that your website is now live. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.